an unrivaled opportunity on this major waterfront property here in Port Macquarie. My name is Greg Laws from LJ Hooker Port Macquarie. Welcome to 47 to 49 Commodore Crescent here in Port Macquarie. Positioned on a large 1,232 square metre block sits two very spacious 3-bedroom villas, perfect for a family situation wanting to come together or live in one and rent out the other. The large living areas, separated dining areas, ute in-ground pool of approximately 9.5 metres, boat ramp, boat shed and jetty are all key features of this property. If that daily walk is what kickstarts your day, then you don't have to navigate the hills from here. It's all level to the CBD, Town Beach, or to Settlement Point. When was the last time an opportunity such as this came up anywhere around the waterfront here in Port Macquarie? It's here now, it's ready to purchase. Call myself Greg Laws on 6583 3044.